Well, I've got a pair of HB-1Bs and a cup of coffee and a whole workbench full of knobs, and trying to get the HB-1B into the shape where I can tune it with something besides this, which isn't great. So I found that I have, I don't know if they're unique HB-1Bs or it's been repaired, but this HB-1B has a knurled split shaft, and this HB-1B has a solid shaft with one cut edge. I found already that it isn't a typical sort of half shaft style. It's thicker, so this knob won't fit. It isn't cut enough. I found this knob is too big and too deep, so the set screws don't reach the top, so those are out. I found that this knob is a very nice one to tune, and it isn't tall enough, or it's barely tall enough. If I leave enough room to push the detent on the rotary encoder, if I push it up just a bit, then it misses. It's too short. It does, I think, fit this shaft. So I think we're going to put this knob here, and it, let's see. Yeah, that gives enough room for the push button. That's a little scraping. Maybe a little higher. I think it's a little crooked. Maybe higher still. Now I've missed the screw. That's not good. Maybe a bigger screwdriver would be better. Anyway, I'm going to leave that one. I'll adjust that up slightly higher. I've got this knob. It's quite deep. This came from, I think, from the old Cascade 20-meter rig, extra kit. That's too deep. This one may be our next best shot. It looks shallow enough to fit on here, and I'll try to fit it to where I hit the split on the shaft so it doesn't smash it. And I think that'll be the two HB-1B knobs. So now I can hit the button, and it's a little bigger to tune. So I think we're going to call that the action. Well, there's a useless video. So thanks for watching. See ya.